In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cat icon in Figma, Fast 2025 guide. We'll keep this quick and practical. You'll use a free plugin called Iconify to find a cat icon and customize it to fit your design system, all inside Figma. First, let's install the Iconify plugin. Open Figma and make sure you're in the file browser, not inside a specific file. From there, click the Community tab. In the search bar, type Iconify and filter to plugins if needed so you're not looking at components or widgets. When you see Iconify in the results, click Install. You only need to do this once per account, and the plugin will be available across your files. Next, run the plugin in your design file. Open the file where you want to use the icon. In the top toolbar, click the Resources button, then switch to the Plugins tab. Find Iconify in your installed plugins and click Run. Depending on your UI version, you might see an Actions button at the bottom center or a Plugins menu at the top. Either route works, as long as you open Iconify from the plugins list. Once the Iconify window loads, use the search bar and type cat. You'll see results from multiple open source icon libraries, like Material Design and Font Awesome. Pick a style that matches your project. Outlined, filled, rounded, or sharp. Click the cat icon you like to insert it, or drag and drop it directly onto your Figma canvas. It will appear at a default size near your current view. If you double-click the icon and see vector nodes, that means it's a vector, so it will scale cleanly. Now let's customize the icon, select it, and resize as needed. Hold Shift to keep the proportions locked. For consistent UIs, stick to standard sizes like 24, 32, or 48 pixels and align to your grid for crisp results. In the right sidebar under the design panel, adjust the fill color to match your brand palette. If the icon includes strokes, you can tweak stroke color and width there too. If there are multiple shapes, ungroup or use selection colors to recolor parts quickly. Consider enabling or disabling scale strokes based on how you plan to export. You can also add subtle effects like drop shadow or layer blur if your design system allows it, but keep it minimal for small icons. Finally, make sure the icon sits on whole pixel values to avoid blurriness at smaller sizes. That's it. Install Iconify, run it in your file, search cat, insert the icon, and tailor the color, stroke, and size so it fits your design perfectly. If you're using the icon commercially, take a moment to review the source library's license. Thanks for watching and happy designing.